gonna be
I always
this
took
way.
a white t-shirt and all
Get in the shot.
of it would stay white.
Are you guys in the shot?
That's very funny. Hello.
Keep that
Get
in.
yourself in the shot.
Hey.
I'm in the shot.
All right, hey.
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 Hey everybody.
Hey everybody.
Welcome to the June launch from Bergfeld's Rocket Labs.
Woo!
I have the usual setup. Ellie, Max, Casper, myself, getting ready to do a launch. It's been a little while. Had some 3D printer problems that we finally remedied. We've made a lot of improvements to the look of the rockets and also hopefully the performance of the recovery system, which you guys know is a little bit, you know,
Exciting.
usually doesn't work out. But let's
Really
give it a
exciting.
try. All right, next thing you'll see is the first rocket of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, Casper Bergfeld, take it away, introduce the rocket.
This is Ares X1B. It's the first rocket of the day, and it contains a B6 motor. It should go about 400 feet in the air.
Woo!
And as you can see, we're using a different color scheme than usual. It's very cute.
The other thing that's happening is it's raining.
It
So
is raining.
we're gonna, we've done snow, we haven't done rain. So this first rocket is the wind socket, helps us determine which way we have to point the launch pad to make sure we get more rockets back than we lose. All right, see you later. All right, countdown, Casper.
3, 2, 1.
Really nice. It has deployed. It does not have recovery. Oh, we're gonna get it back. That was definitely 400 feet. Right on the set.
Thank you. This is the Ares X2C. It's a C6 motor that goes about 1 kilofoot or 1,000 feet.
Yeah, that's about right.
Into the air. I said kilometer earlier. That's wrong.
Yeah, I think I get you.
Yeah. So we'll see how it goes.
All right, here we go. Loading it up. All right.
3, 2, 1.
Wow. All right, that one's gone into the clouds. I got it. It did deploy. That has no recovery because it's to see how the drift is going to be.
Got it. We got it. Best guy.
It's just tumbling. Oh, I think we're going to get that one back. Oh, Casper, good positioning.
Yeah, in front of everybody. All right, this is the Taurus X1 with a C6 motor. We're expecting it to go 750 feet. It's beautiful and colorful.
Fantastic.
And primary.
All right, everybody take 2 steps toward the rocket.
All right.
All right, thank you.
3, 2, 1.
Nice. I heard it go. Anybody got it?
Yeah, I got it. It's in 2 pieces at the moment. Down in the field, and then the other part is on its way.
Down in the field also.
Oh, I got it. Whoa. Oh, did it break apart?
Yes. Right in half.
Well, we got the nose cone back.
Actually, the body's in the field too.
It is? All right, go.
Here we have the Gemini X1. It should be our last C of the day. It has a C6, and you can see it's a little bit longer than the other rockets. And that the combination of the excess mass and the motor will bring it to 650 feet.
Give it a try. All right, Casper, go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
Really nice. Oh, here it comes. Doesn't look like the parachute is the best it's ever been.
The water might have an effect on that.
But that was exactly what we expect.
Watching a Veritasium video.
All right, so that was the
obviously
B's and C rockets. So we're going to move up to about twice as powerful engines with about twice as heavy rockets. So they go about the same height, but they're bigger and they're carrying a lot more weight. So let's try the D16s, which are sort of like half Ds.
We have here the Cancer, is that a 4.1? X1, Cancer X1, my bad. Rated to go about 900 feet. It's got some kind of engine in it. Which kind of engine is
D16.
it? D60, you didn't tell me.
It's on the FID.
Oh yeah, so it is. It's going to be a very sensitive rocket. Hopefully the rain does not disturb it at all.
Exactly. All right, countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Way up there. You got it?
Yeah, it's stumbling and then deploying.
I don't got it.
Ready? All right, this is the Virgo X1. Yes? Yeah, Virgo X1 with a D16 motor going 871 feet. Got a military ballistic payload and it's ready to go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! That's a fail. Whoa! Yikes!
That was awesome.
That was deeply unexpected.
Not sure what happened there.
This rocket is titled the Leo X1. It has a D16. I think, like the other one, has a D. And you can see it's clear for the majority of the rocket. So you can see major points of the recovery, including the parachute and the cord, and yeah, and even the piston. It should go about, I don't know if it's listed.
It is.
It's listed somewhere, just not where I can see it. 650 feet.
Here we go.
Woo!
All right, everybody.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Something happened there that was odd. But it worked.
I thought it, and you said it. Oh.
I wonder why that thing blew up like that.
I don't know.
Hey everybody, that was the half Ds of the D16s. Now we're moving up to a bigger engine. Those engines are 18 millimeters in diameter. The next set of engines are 24 millimeters in diameter. And we're gonna start out with the D12s and then we'll move into the D22s. These are much bigger thrusts and of course much bigger rockets. Let's see how they do.
Woo! This is the Libra X1. It's got a D12 engine. It is rated for 675 feet, and it's a little bit of a thickie. So we're gonna see where it goes.
All right, let's give it a shot. Go.
2, 1.
That was very smooth. That was Oh, did you hear that? That was a great sound.
You could hear the piston that time.
Yeah, it was great.
Oh, he's got to catch it. Oh, it separated right at the last minute. What was that all about?
That's too bad.
That was some delicious energy.
That almost seems spiteful.
Yeah. It's like, this guy, I don't think so.
I've got a raindrop in my ass.
Say again?
Looks like there's no wadding in there.
No, it should be a piston.
Well, yeah, there is a piston, but there's the thing you attached the string for was before the piston got melted.
Oh, no.
Right in the line of fire, the ejection charge.
All right.
Here, look right here.
Oh,
see that?
look at that. It melted. Huh?
Right in the
Be
line of
damned.
fire.
Yeah, I
It
got to
got
fix
melted.
that.
Right now we have the Scorpio X1. It's got a D22 motor and it's expected to go 700 feet.
Fantastic.
700 feet.
As you can see, we've color coded
Just like my window.
the rockets so that each time we go up another rocket level of boost, we also change the color. Take it away, Casper.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no. I think it's dud. Stop. I want to. So the fully electronic igniter, it failed. So what we've done is we've rigged up a bit of cannon fuse with a bit of nichrome wire to cause this rocket to go off. Let's see if it happens. Hit it.
3, 2, 1. Oh yeah,
Yeah, right. Yeah.
one more spooky.
God, that loud. So cool.
Wow.
It really gets it going real quick.
Perfect.
Wow. That really went great.
Now hopefully it's going to come back toward us and not land way over there.
I don't know about that.
The bigger ones always seem further away.
I think we'll be able to get it.
Yeah, that's in the field.
That's in the field.
Yeah, we are going to get it. Beautiful.
I don't think I would lost any.
We haven't lost any of them. We haven't lost any of them.
Alright, this is the Sagittarius X1 rated for 600 feet with a D22 motor. I think we're probably going for half-over height on this one, but we're hoping to see the performance in some heavier rockets.
All right, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
That's it. Come on.
Yeah, I put a smaller motor in.
Ah, yeah. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Dust!
Good thing those guys left.
That one failed. Hey everybody, that was the D's. That last rocket was a little anemic because we used a lower power D engine and it was just not enough to power it. Now we're moving on to the bigger motors, the E's. So we'll have an Estes E, which is a E12, that's pretty powerful, and then we're moving on to the E35s, which are quite powerful. These rockets are quite big and quite heavy, and you'll see that they're in military drab.
All right, this is the Capricorn X1. It's an E12, and we're expecting it to go 600 feet.
All right, lay it out.
3, 2, 1.
Now that was just so cool.
That was really good. Oh, beautiful deployment. Now where will it end up?
Wow, it's way up there, huh?
Yeah. Casper's going off to see if he can grab it.
Come down pretty slow.
Pretty slow.
That's great.
I mean,
That's an actual parachute instead of a streamer.
Yeah.
I for sure thought it was going.
Is he gonna get it?
Ooh.
Oh! Yeah!
This guy should carry the Olympic torch.
All right, take it away.
Here we have the Aquarius X2. It has an E35, so quite a big motor.
It's a big boy.
But it's also in quite a big rocket. So it's still only going to go about 1,000 feet. Very high, by the way.
Considering that it's one of those crazy drop fin rockets,
Yeah.
which typically result in
Death.
and disaster. All right, let's try it out.
Here we go.
Everybody just get ready to hit the dirt. This is a definitely wacky design. All right, Casper, count us down.
3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Yep.
Yep, it didn't work out.
So that's the. Oh yeah, it's the.
All right, let's just make sure there's no fire.
Yeah. Jesus. Well, it just rained.
You never know.
I'll tell you, I don't know why those drop fins never work, but
Might be
the math says they will.
There might be something about being a drop fin. Have you ever seen a real rocket that's a drop fin?
No, never have.
Well, so here we have a smoking mess, slightly less smoky than it was just because it all came out. But lost a fin and it broke at the mount actually, which is crazy.
Yeah, it ripped right out.
The rest is actually in decent shape, but it might have to be repurposed to a non-drop fin. So
Yeah, I know. I don't know why they never. They should theoretically should work, but they don't. All right.
Looks like yeah, I don't know.
Wow, yeah, that is kind of funny, huh?
Yeah, I mean it's all stable. Okay.
This is our final rocket for the day. It is a Pisces X1 as the sun blares down on us. Finally, it's got an E35, a very, very thick motor, and it's rated for 1,037 feet.
Unusual precision.
That means we're expecting something very special.
Yes, let's see what happens. All right, here we are. We just finished prepping our biggest rocket of the day. All right, KP.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was great.
Wow. Oh, beautiful. And now will it get back here? Casper's going to see if he can pluck it out of the sky again.
Far away.
It's a big rocket too.
It is.
Wow.
It could be pretty freaking far.
Yeah,
Let him go.
it did sort of go at an angle for a while.
Yes.
So that could be pretty far.
Casper? Maybe.
Hey, watch in front of you, dude.
And that rocket is very long.
Into the pit.
Back to the pit.
Oh, he thinks he can get it.
Oh, here come the dudes that we just finished.
Oh, they just missed it.
Poor
Wow.
It's like good.
They're fully intact. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I like that screw on engine.
Fully intact.
Pretty cool.
I can't believe that. That's awesome, buddy.
Oh, it's bent.
Oh, down here.
Yeah. Oh, no, it's fine.
Dude.
All right, nice. All right, let's go do CSI and pick them all up. Hey, that was a pretty good day here at the Windsor Fairgrounds in June. We've done 13 rockets. We've got 12 back. One we're gonna get back, but we think it's powder. So we're gonna drive around, do some CSI rocketing. And obviously, if you're watching this, you know that I've posted it up on YouTube. So I'll see you guys again in July with another batch, unless I get one done earlier. All right, it's the Bergfeld Rocket Labs signing off.